Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'll teach you how to make an animated character just like me. So to start off, we're gonna head over to our preferred web browser and search for our Adobe Character Animator. The link will be down in the description for this app. And what Adobe Character Animator is, it allows you to animate in real time, literally. So as you can see in this video, the guy over here is being animated by his character. So basically, whatever is in front of his webcam or his body movements is being animated by the character that he has chosen to the left here. So this is a really nice option. This is a really nice app if you'd like to animate whatever is in front of your webcam or even yourself into a character. Now, Adobe offers a free trial or also the leasing option for $70 a month, but the free trial is great if you want to do like a one-time project or anything like that. And it is important to note that once you go ahead to download the free trial, you will be able to use it for 7 days free, and then you'll have to pay if you'd like to use it for further use. But once you do download Adobe Character Animator, it comes with all of the 20 plus Creative Cloud apps. So what I mean by that, Adobe offers lots of apps in one of its softwares that's called Creative Cloud. And Creative Cloud has other apps produced by Adobe, for example, Premiere Pro, which allows you to edit videos, or Photoshop, which allows you to edit some of your photos. So once you do download Adobe Character Animator, it'll prompt you to download the whole software of Creative Cloud, which then in there you can download the apps that you would like to use. So you can head over to start your free trial, enter your details, and download it. So I actually already downloaded mine right over here. I went through the setup wizard and now it's asking me to sign in. So I will do that. So as you can see, I now have Adobe Character Animator installed as well as Media Encoder. For Character Animator to work, we need Media Encoder to be installed as it transfers different media and codes to Character Animator for it to function well. And once we are done our project in Character Animator, if we would like to export it into our computer, we need a Media Encoder to do so. So both apps go together, and Media Encoder also does the same thing for other apps as After Effects or Adobe Animate. So we can head over and open up Character Animator. And as you can see, we are now in the Character Animator app, and down here we have all our puppets or animators. I think we all recognize this one, but for today's tutorial, we will be using Chad right over here. So once his character is established, the user interface kind of looks tricky at first glance with all these track behaviors to the right, the timeline, the rig. But it is fairly easy to use, and I'm sure after this tutorial, you guys will be able to make your way through Character Animator like a pro. So on the top right, we have the webcam option to turn on our webcam. We also have the microphone option to turn on our microphone. We have a few track behaviors over here to the right. For example, the eye gaze, the different rigs in here, the face, the lip sync, and other triggers over here to the right. But Adobe's normal track behaviors are perfectly fine for default. But if you would like to edit some of these, I will be linking a video on how to do so on the top right of the screen right now. And over here on the bottom, we have our timeline. On the top left, we have our rig for extra maneuverability of Chad. So for example, we could rotate his face, for example. We could rotate his mouth. We could change his mouth expressions and different things like that. The video that I will be linking on the top right of the screen will be helpful for this. And to start off recording our character Chad, we would like to turn on our camera right over here on the top right. So as you can see, my camera is now on the top right, And whatever I do, let's say I move my head to the left, Chad will move his head to the left. Let's say I move my head to the right, Chad will turn his head to the right. So we would like to calibrate our camera and our character so that they're perfectly in sync. To do so, we're just going to hit the calibrate button, move a low, move our eyes, move our eyebrows. And then once we are done, we are good to go. We will be perfectly in sync. So as you can see, it is pretty instant. The eyebrow movement is pretty instant as well. And we are matching all the movements, but Chad is not moving his mouth while I am. Why is that? Is it because the lip sync triggers aren't right? No, it's not because of that. It's actually because my microphone isn't on. So to turn on my microphone, I could just hit the microphone icon right here. And as you can see, now Chad is moving his mouth. So I am moving my mouth in the camera right here. The camera is detecting that and is calibrating that into Character Animator via Media Encoder. So as you can see, the green bar is moving, which is indicating that Character Animator is detecting my voice and is syncing it to Chad. So let's say I move my eyebrows while speaking, Chad will do the same. Let's say I stop speaking, Chad will stop moving his lips. Let's say I move my head to the left while Chad is speaking, he will do the same. Let's say I move my head to the right while Chad is speaking, he will do the same. So really, whatever movement your face is doing, the camera in Character Animator, Chad will be doing the same. So now if we would like to record our puppet, we can hit this recording button. Hey guys! I hope that today's video was useful to teach you how to use Adobe Character Animator, and now you're a pro at using Adobe Character Animator. If you have any questions, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, make sure to smash that like button and share it to whoever may find it helpful as well. So now that I'm done recording, you can see that all the info over here in the timeline has been inputted. For example, the camera input, the audio input, the track audio, as well as the performance of the triggers down here, all these green bars. So once we are done recording, we can head over and export our project into our computer. To do so, we're going to head over to the top left, hit File, and then we're going to go down to Export, and then we will do Video via Adobe Media Encoder. And then we can choose where we would like to save it. And then Adobe Media Encoder will start opening up, and then we will be able to export our project. We can see that we have our scenes of Chad right over here. So we can choose the scene that we would like to download and hit the green play button on the top right over here. And then it'll be connecting to different servers, and then our video will be exported.